Okay, so I just stumbled upon this CLI starter kit called Fang, and it's got some really cool features I didn't expect.
Wait, what's so special about it? Isn't it just another library for command line interfaces?
No, it actually has built-in styled help and usage pages. Like, who knew help text could look fancy?
Fancy help texts, that's wild. How does it work exactly? I mean, isn't that just fluff?
Not at all. It makes understanding how to use commands so much easier. You won't just see dry output.
Okay, I see the appeal. But what about error messages? Do they get the fancy treatment too?
Totally. It styles errors just like it does help pages. Imagine debugging and actually feeling good about it.
I'm trying to picture that. So instead of just error, something went wrong, you get a visually appealing message.
Exactly. It's like getting a detailed, stylish note instead of a slap on the wrist.
I love that. But wait, there's also something about man pages, right? What's the deal with that?
Right. So the default behavior ordinarily generates a man page for each command, which can get overwhelming.
Oh man, that sounds cluttered. Does Fang handle that better somehow?
Yes, it uses a tool called Mango to create better designed man pages without unnecessary clutter.
Better design, what does that mean? Are we talking aesthetics or usability?
Both. By using ROF directly instead of Markdown conversion, it renders man pages that just look better and are more useful.
That's actually really cool. I never thought man pages could be pretty.
I know, right? Plus, Fang allows you to generate shell completions. Like, when does that ever happen?
Shell completions? Wow, so it helps automate the command typing process too?
Yes, you start typing, and it suggests completions based on what you're doing. Super handy.
That would save so much time. What about themes? Can you customize that part?
Oh, totally. It comes with a built-in theme, and you can create your own for a personalized touch.
This sounds like a developer's dream. Finally, a CLI that looks good and works well.
Right? And this silent usage output thing is a game changer, too.
Silent usage? What's that? Does it mean less output when there's an error?
Yeah, exactly. If there's a user error, it won't clutter your screen with help unless you ask for it.
That gives me chills because I hate it when apps just bombard me with info when I mess up.
Exactly. It's respectful of your attention. Wait, think about it. This could shift how we view CLI tools.
Oh wow, for sure. A user-friendly CLI can really change how developers interact with their tools.
And imagine this kind of approach applied to more tools. Other developer experiences could really evolve.
Totally. So if more CLIs adopted this philosophy, it might lead to less frustration overall.
Right? And really foster a better relationship between developers and their tools.
I'm sort of blown away by all this. Who would have thought a little library could shake things up so much?
I know. I guess it shows how even small changes can lead to big improvements in user experience.
So if we put all this together, it makes a compelling case for innovating even in traditional spaces.
Absolutely. The CLI world might seem static, but it can actually be vibrant and user-centered.
I can't wait to see what else pops up next in this space. Innovations like Fang are just the beginning.
And it's such a reminder to keep an open mind about tech. We need more user-friendly solutions.
Exactly. It leaves you pondering what else we can simplify. What's next? A pretty error message.
Ha! Wouldn't that be something? But really, who knows what innovations are coming down the line?
This whole conversation is making me rethink so much about how we perceive and use tech tools.
Right? It's all about the experience. Let's keep an eye on this. Who knows what's possible?
For sure. I'm excited to see how this unfolds in the tech community. What a ride.